Assalamu alaikum. So we're in the Bvlgari Hotel, which is located in Tokyo Midtown Yaesu skyscraper. This is the hotel that's directly next to the Tokyo station. So the hotel itself is on the 40th to the 45th store. We're in room number 4101. Let's go inside and have a look. Okay, let's go in. So we checked in yesterday. So as soon as you get in, as most hotels, the blinds open. So they've done the turn down service already, so it's a little bit dark. You have the minibar on the right hand side, which has got the kettle, the tea, all the soft drinks are for free. You got the coffee. They've got their own tea bags, which are very good, not like the Armani ones. The Armani ones are terrible. And this is you got the soft drinks on here, which are free. So let's go into the main room. Let's gonna make the rooms a little bit brighter. Let's get the lights on. So these are the two double beds that we've got. It's got a table and chair on the side and a TV over there. The view from outside is stunning, brilliant. Look at that, look at that. So we've got the room a bit brighter. Let's do this again. So this is the TV. You've got the table over here. So the room was dark because they had done the turn down service, you can see there. And these are the two double beds. So nice size room and very, very clean, if I'm honest with you. So like most Bvlgari hotels have left some fruit, and with the turn down service have left us a little sweet dessert and some tea. So today is the ginger and chamomile. Let's go into the toilet and the wardrobe. So this is the wardrobe area. You've got the bathrobes on the right hand side. They give you PJs, which is nice. These are the PJs, like Japanese style PJs. They've got the gift bags that they normally give you in Bvlgari hotels. That's a dressing table, which has got the Dyson hairdryer, which is a nice little touch. And then you walk straight into the bathroom. So we literally just got here yesterday. Let's on the light. I don't know how to. There you go. So they've got a nice bathtub, so same theme as the other Bvlgari hotel that you'd expect. You've got the soap, the conditioner, the loafers over there. They give you the Bvlgari toothpaste, etc., which is not brilliant, but it does the job. It's got a nice double sink, good size mirror. This is the shower. So the shower doesn't have a door on it, but it's fine. It's a nice, decent size shower, which is operated by a button. So you press a button, shower goes on. You press a button, shower goes off, which is quite cool. And this is the toilet, which is the Japanese toilet. So everything is operated through the buttons. If I press flush, the toilet will flush. So it's quite cool. So this is the Bvlgari Hotel in Tokyo. So this is the third Bvlgari hotel we've stayed in. We've stayed in London and in Dubai, but I'd say this is probably number one or number two on the list. I'd choose either this one as number one and then Dubai as number two and then London after that. We still have a few more to try, which we'll do at some stage, but overall, like, nice, clean hotel.